Hey, nature enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the mysterious and intriguing world of long-eared owls. These nocturnal birds of prey are known for their distinctive appearance and fascinating behaviors. Stick around to discover 50 captivating facts about long-eared owls and learn why these incredible birds deserve our attention. Let's get started. 1. Long-eared owls are scientifically known as Asio otis. 2. They are medium-sized owls with a body length of about 31 to 40 centimeters. 3. Their wingspan ranges from 86 to 100 centimeters. 4. Long-eared owls are named for their prominent ear tufts. 5. These ear tufts are actually feather tufts and have no hearing function. 6. They have large, round facial discs that help direct sound to their ears. 7. Long-eared owls have orange or yellow eyes. 8. They have a mottled brown and gray plumage, providing excellent camouflage. 9. Long-eared owls are found across Europe, Asia, and North America. 10. They prefer habitats such as forests, woodlands, and grasslands. 11. Long-eared owls are primarily nocturnal hunters. 12. Their diet mainly consists of small mammals, especially rodents. 13. They also hunt birds, insects, and occasionally reptiles. 14. Long-eared owls have excellent hearing, which aids in locating prey. 15. They use their sharp talons to catch and kill their prey. 16. Long-eared owls are known for their silent flight. 17. Their feathers have soft edges, which reduce noise while flying. 18. They often hunt from a perch, swooping down to catch prey. 19. Long-eared owls roost communally during the Nong breeding season. 20. These roosts can contain several dozen individuals. 21. Long-eared owls are monogamous and form long-term pair bonds. 22. They typically nest in abandoned nests of other birds such as crows or hawks. 23. Long-eared owls may also nest in tree hollows or dense vegetation. 24. The female incubates the eggs while the male provides food. 25. The incubation period lasts about 25 to 30 days. 26. Long-eared owl chicks are covered in white down at hatching. 27. The chicks fledge at around 21 to 28 days old. 28. Long-eared owls are known for their distinctive hooting calls. 29. Their calls can be heard over long distances, especially during the breeding season. 30. They are highly territorial and will defend their nesting area. 31. Long-eared owls have a varied diet depending on their location. 32. They are capable of consuming prey up to 3 times their body weight. 33. Long-eared owls are excellent hunters with sharp vision. 34. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. 35. Long-eared owls use their facial discs to focus sounds. 36. They are known for their ability to detect prey under snow. 37. Long-eared owls have a lifespan of about 10 to 15 years in the wild. 38. They face threats from habitat loss and human disturbance. 39. Long-eared owls are protected under various wildlife conservation laws. 40. They are considered a species of least concern by the IUCN. 41. Long-eared owl months to find food. Owls migrate during the winter. 42. Their migration patterns vary depending on food availability. 43. Long-eared owls are known to travel long distances during migration. 44. They play an important role in controlling rodent populations. 45. Long-eared owls are often mistaken for other owl species. 46. They have a unique way of blending into their surroundings. 47. Long-eared owls are known for their curious and inquisitive nature. 48. They are often featured in folklore and mythology. 49. Long-eared owls are a symbol of wisdom and mystery. 50. Observing long-eared owls in the wild is a rare and rewarding experience. That wraps up our deep dive into the world of long-eared owl birds. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures. If you found these facts interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.